All right, we got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a gorgeous 1971 Dodge Dart. Very nicely done. 344 speed, black car, white top, white interior, ceramic coated headers. Just a very, very nice car. Very strong running car. It's strong running. Hear that key buzzer. But nice paint. There are a few little chips. We just got the car in, touched that up. Just a nice car. Good body lines. Mirror-like reflection on it. All the chrome trim, bright work. Underneath of the car, it's like the top of the car. It's very, very nice. You'll find all these pictures, close to 100, at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. Pick up the phone. My name's Mark, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. We're in Fenton, Missouri, which is in the suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. We're about 25-30 minutes from the international airport, Lambert, St. Louis International. They're one and the same. If you'd like to come by and take a look at this in person, we'd be more than happy to pick you up from the airport, just forward us your itinerary, and we'll pick you up, take you to any one of our 3 warehouses. We'll take it out for a ride, put it up on the lift, make sure it's a good fit. You do not need to have all the money to buy these cars. We have excellent financing, great rates, great terms, good conditions. So usually it's about 10% in you're driving. So obviously we got to have credit, but we've got the financing. Haggerty Insurance, hook you up with the insurance. They've got great rates. But really nice car, just nicely done. Just a great color combination. Well, her shifter, 4-speed, and we just got it in. We're trying to beat the rain, so it still has to run through the shop, get a full detail, go through the service. Couple little chips. A couple little or on the edges there that'll all be touched up, but just a very nice car. There, be good. Just mirror-like package tray, great shape. Trunk has the jack, full spare. You know, all the trim around the vinyl top is fantastic. Backs of the seats, no apparent wear, sun fade. The corner windows, which are typically pretty weak on the car, in good shape, appear to be original. Just a tiny patina on the bottom, but nice car. Take this for a ride. pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. The suburbs of St. Louis. It's about 25-30 minutes from the International Airport, 25 minutes from downtown, the Arch, Busch Stadium. If you can't make it out in person, you want to send an inspector, we welcome third-party inspections. We'll accommodate them, no problem. We can arrange transportation anywhere in the world. In the lower 48, I should say, we can arrange that transportation, and you would just pay for that, for the service once they deliver your car. You know, Hawaii, Alaska, or any other country, that would have to be prepaid, but we can arrange that as a courtesy service as well. You know, all the vehicles go through the shop, they're serviced, check the brakes, we checked everything, the mechanics, electronics, to make sure everything's in working order, it's safe to drive, and it's performing optimal. So we already put a carburetor on it. Here's that new gas, new fuel lines. Just had a faulty carburetor. We got a new one on there. Just love this color combination. The black, the spoiler, black on black. Downshifts, no problem. Does have ceramic coated headers. It's just nicely done. Make sure you go through and look at all the pictures. Watch them. Obviously, you're watching the